Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And first of all of you thank you who are supporting us. And we are preparing for RRB PO and Clerk 2022. And daily in evening, I am providing daily to-do list for both PO and Clerk. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group, and I will provide that link in description. And I hope you are all following my daily to-do list. And we have to become our support and strength. So start your preparation and let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. And tomorrow is day 28. So as usual, early in morning, revise the basics of each subject like tables, squares, cubes, alphanumeric values, and some formulas, etc. So on daily basis, revise the basics of each subject, and don't forget to revise the basics of any subject. And after that, on daily basis, read daily current affairs. And who are beginners, they can prefer from Adda 247 or grade up. And who are already preparing, they can prefer from affairs cloud or study IQ. So on daily basis, read daily current affairs. And after that, watch an editorial video. And there is a live class from Adda YouTube channel by Santosh sir at morning 8 am. So daily watch an editorial video from Adda 247. And after that, on daily basis, attempt a clerk pre-exam from one of your source. After attempting it, analyze its weak areas where you are lacking, and note down all your weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation for your pre-exam. And after that, give 1 hour for each practicing quant and reasoning for pre-level. So tomorrow for quant pre-level, watch basic level videos for time and distance topic, and also for reasoning pre-level, attempt quizzes on month-based puzzles, and we have many free PDFs from Smart Kida, textbook and practice mark. So use all those for our pre-level. And in afternoon, who are beginners, they repeat the morning schedule or practice PDFs for your weak areas where you are lacking. And if you weak in any topic, practice for that. And we have many free PDFs from Smart Kida and practice mark. So practice all those in afternoon and give as much as possible for practicing pre-level who are beginners. And who are preparing for mains, in afternoon, give 1 hour for each practicing quant, reasoning, and in English for our mains preparation. And tomorrow for our mains preparation, attempt a sectional mock test or topic wise test from textbook test series, and those are all very helpful for our mains preparation. And also for our mains preparation, give 1 hour for reading banking awareness and computer awareness. And for banking awareness, read public finance and budget topic from 117 page to 123rd page. And also for computer awareness, read database concept of multiple choice questions. And these two PDFs are in our Telegram group. You can read from that. And in evening also, give 1 hour for reading current affairs. And from 2 days, we are reading May 4th week current affairs. So tomorrow, attempt quizzes of May 4th week current affairs from one of your source. And after that, before going to sleep, attempt a PO prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze its weak areas where you are lacking, and note down all your weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation. And also, I will provide all the links and PDFs for these daily to-do list topics in my Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra. And also, who are beginners, if you have any doubts about these topics and also about this exam, you can freely ask in my Telegram group, and I will provide that link in description. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and daily updates. And thank you.